What's up guys? Samsung has released a new promo video for their Samsung Galaxy Z Flip smartphone. The handset can be seen on the production line in this video. Actually, it's a behind the scene video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip from the Samsung factory. This is Samsung's second folding smartphone and it was made official at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked press event last week. As of the Feb 15, the Galaxy Z Flip has sold out in almost every one of the first round release countries, including France, Korea, Singapore, Spain, UAE, and the United States, with this list growing every day. The first of its kind device is the product of a delicate manufacturing process made possible thanks to the Samsung's innovative technology and the uncompromising attention to detail. The company approached each step of that process with a focus on helping users get the most out of the smartphone's all-new user experience and forward-folding form factor. And yeah guys, Samsung is hot at work getting ready to send a second batch of the Galaxy Z Flip to markets around the world. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.